So welcome you all to Vinchemy's YouTube session. So today I'm going to take a physics chapter, and the chapter name is light. So we see many things around us, and we can only see objects with the help of light. Without light, we can't even imagine our lives, right? And our beautiful organ, eye, helps us to see things around us with the help of light. So light plays many roles, and today I'm going to talk about the properties of light and about plane mirrors. Okay. So now if you see, have a source of light here and have a rod here. Okay. So now I'm going to aim and see the source of light through this rod. Okay. So if you see like this, I can see the light, okay? If I keep it here, you can see the light coming out, isn't it? Light is coming out. Now I'm going to bend this and see the same source of light, okay? I'm going to bend this like a tube, and now let me see if I'm able to see, okay? Now you can see, I'm going to see here, okay? So let me see. So now I can't see any light, okay? So I'll just show you. So now I can't see any light in the bottom, okay? If I bend this like a tube and keep it on the source of light, I can't see anything in the bottom. But if I keep it straight, right? If I keep it straight, I can see light coming out from this. So this is the first property of light, isn't it? That is, light travels in a straight line. Light cannot bend, whereas sound can bend. I can hear the sound downstairs. I can hear the sound in the next room. I can hear the sound of somebody else. Sound can bend and travel. But light can't bend. Light always travels in a straight line. That is, we say light travels in a rectilinear motion. Okay, this property of light traveling in a straight line is called rectilinear motion. Isn't this amazing? Now let's go and talk about plane mirrors and normally any surface. Okay, let's talk about a phenomenon called reflection. Come on, let's go. So now we are going to see the next property of light. Okay, that is reflection. So if you see here, now I have a bowl of water. Okay, so now let me keep some object here. Okay, so now I have a pair of scissors. So now if you see this bowl of water, so it is seen in some pond or lake or something, right? There will be some uh this is called a shadow. I'm not talking about this. There'll be some trees or something standing next to the pond. And then you can see the reflection. Okay. Here I'm not able to show the reflection, but generally, okay, you'll be able to see the reflection in a pond, lake, or some bodies of water. So that's the next property of light. That is, it can reflect objects. Okay. It will do reflection. Now let we can see reflection more clearly when we have a mirror. So now let me do in the case of a mirror. Okay. So now have a mirror here, right? So now let's see the reflection in the mirror. Okay. So now have a light source here. Okay. So I'm going to you'll be able to see a reflection more clearly if you have a laser. So I'm striking a light ray on a light beam on this mirror, and now I can see the reflection on the opposite side. So I'll try to show you. Okay. So you can try in your home also. If you strike light on the surface, you'll be able to see the reflection, isn't it? So you'll be able to see the reflection. Okay, right? Yeah. So I'm striking a light surface on the mirror, which is kept on the table. Okay, so I'm keeping a light in the table. And now I can see the reflection on the top. Okay, so I'll just show you that. So now I'm striking a light surface in the mirror, which is kept here. Okay, so I can see my reflection on the wall, isn't it? So this phenomenon is also a very good phenomenon of light. So now I'll tell you how to view objects in a mirror. Okay. So now have a scissors here, isn't it? So I have a scissors here. So you can see it in my laptop screen also. But anyway, can you see the scissors in the mirror? The reflection of the scissors in the mirror. So if you see here, the image, okay, the image of this scissors is formed exactly at the same distance from the mirror. Okay. It's called a virtual image. Okay. This is formed on a, polished surface. So it's called a virtual image. Okay, if it's formed on the screen, it's called a real image. This image is called a virtual image. Okay, and now I'll write some letter on this paper and show you how it looks. Now I've written the letter R, as you can see here. Okay, now I'm going to show you how it looks in the mirror. Okay, you were all trying this experiment many times, so I'll just show you. So I have the mirror here, right? So I'm going to keep the letter R in front of the mirror. So can you see the the letter R in the mirror? It is laterally inverted, right? So can you see the letter R has gone laterally inverted in the mirror? No, it's not upside down. We say left-right inversion. So that's called laterally inverted, right? So this is the basics of light and about plane mirrors. Okay, so plane mirrors, the mirrors are straight. You have seen some mirrors in the if you've gone to some some Maya or some places where they have this mirror house and all, you'll see some bulging mirrors, some curved mirrors, spherical mirrors. Okay, if you go and stand there, you'll be seen taller, thinner, fatter, etc. Right? So those are spherical mirrors, but this is the basics of plane mirrors. Okay, so that's about the basics of light, right? So I demonstrated a few experiments from the chapter Light. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed it. To get enrolled in the full course, okay, full science course for class 7, all you have to do is very simple. Just message, okay, just ask your queries in email, okay, as in vinchemyacademy@gmail.com, or you can even message in Instagram as Vinchemy Academy. Okay, so that's about it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the session. Any suggestions are welcome. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, till then, bye.